Hello everyone, and today I'm going to walk you through how to link your phone number to your iQIYI account. Now, for your account security, it's suggested that you link the email or phone number you frequently use. So to do this, the first step is to enter your iQIYI mobile app. That is, open the app, log into your account, and click the me icon. Then click on settings. Then choose account and security. So this will help you to manage your email address and phone number. Then if you're using the website, I'm talking about that first option I gave is for using the mobile app. But using the website, you go to iQIYI.com. Yes, that is for the PC, iQIYI PC website. You go to iQIYI.com. That is www.iqyiyi.com. Your web browser, log into your iQIYI account, then click profile picture, then click on my account, and you will see the option to manage your email address and phone number. Note that if you've used the link phone number or email plus password to log in before, you can manage your account password following the steps below. Just simply enter iQIYI and log into your account. Click on settings, select account and security, and set the phone number or email, and then password management. So that is how to do it if you need to use the linked phone number or the email plus your password to log in.